Hi everyone, I'm Jenna, and today I'm excited to introduce GODOO's LCD 3D printer, the E230. One standout feature of the E230 is its compatibility with a wide range of materials.
Good.
Plus, it offers an open parameter settings, allowing users to customize adjustments based on their needs, whether it's material type, application, or workflow preference. To boost productivity, the E230 features an oversized 226 x 126 build platform, enabling batch printing to meet high-volume demands. For unmatched surface accuracy, the E230 uses high-precision ground bore screws, achieving a repeat positioning accuracy of 0.003 millimeters. The E230's COB LED light system ensures stable, continuous illumination. Using dual light source correction technology, the uniformity of light can be reached 92%. Designed for ease, the E230 features a 7-inch touchscreen with intuitive controls, perfect for beginners. The 15 degrees tilt enhances ergonomic comfort during operation. The E230's versatility spans dental models, gingivals, temporaries, guides, and the chase, making it your go-to tool for precision and efficiency. This is our temporaries. And this is our general model. The color is yellow, and we have another color is gray. This is our rigid spring. This is our tray. And this is our denture. This is the denture after polishing. This is our high temperature models. It can be resistant to the high temperature. This is our try-on teeth. And this is our surgical guide. This is our gingivals. That's the GODOO's LCD 3D printer E230. Visit our website or contact our sales to start your digital dentistry journey. The E230, your gateway to innovation.